just ball sacks. It's also a laying sack too.
Yeah, it's basically like a banana hammock.
Yeah. I was like, what? Are you serious?
Yeah. Back in the day, for my dad's 30th birthday,
Yeah.
one of my parents' friends handmade him like a dick and ball sack warmer and everything.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it was all made from scratch and everything. It was handmade and shit. He opens it up. He's like, "Well, I guess I might be having to use this sometime if it gets cold." Yeah, we recorded my dad's 30th birthday on video and shit. We still have the VHS tape somewhere, dude. Fuck yeah. Just something about being able to go back and watch a VHS tape, you know?
Yeah. You know, I still have my VHS.
Oh, your player?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
And my remote.
Fuck yeah.
The only thing is the back that holds the batteries, it's no longer there. Like it got used so much that that tab just basically broke off.
Okay.
Okay.
We are turning from Table Rock Road onto shit. What is the name of this road? I forgot. It'll be right up here.
I think it's East 234. That's what the sign actually said.
Is it?
Yeah. Like that's the highway. Here what we're gonna be heading.
So you take a right on Table Rock Road. You come up here to this three-way stop. Well, this three-way intersection. And this road that we're turning onto now is Meadows Road.
Alright.
You go up Meadows until you hit Evans Creek Road. You follow Evans Creek Road out to the left a little bit. It does a swirly, curvy thing. And then you go straight up until you see the Elderberry Flats campground sign. You turn right at the Elderberry Flats campground sign and then go 10 miles until you see an open spot on the left. And that is where we do it. Do it. Yeah, do me.
yeah, that's totally what everyone does.
This is where we party every year, folks.
Yep. And
once again, Ben, you're missing out. And so are you, Spacer. No one gives a shit about April Fool's Day. It is just another goddamn day. He was asking me on the phone, he's like, this Spacer was going to come up here with us.
yeah.
And he's like, wait a minute, isn't Saturday the 1st? I was like, fuck if I know, I think so. He goes, wait, isn't that April Fool's Day? I was like, I guess. I don't fucking keep track of that shit. Just another dumbass fucking day with a stupid name given to him.
Yeah. Plus, that's not even a holiday.
I know, right?
Like, it's just, like, an event that's not a holiday that people just celebrate. It's just like, St. Patty's Day or the day that if you don't wear green, you get pinched.
Yeah, it's St. Patty's Day.
Okay, I thought so.
And I think I think Easter is coming up pretty soon too, and those fruity ferrying forests, Beltainers that like to control shit. You know who you are.
Don't cry.
They do this dumbass thing called Ostara, and it's supposed to be like the pagan equivalent of Easter Day or some fucking stupid shit. I think they call it some fucking dumbass thing like Ostara.
Yeah.
Dude, Brent almost ran into a turkey vulture. That shit was hilarious, yo.
No. I didn't run into anything. They were gonna run into me.
Yeah, they almost ran into you.
Get it? Get your story correctly, okay? If you're gonna tell it.
Hey, I'm telling the story. I can tell it how I want.
Well, you're telling it wrong.
That's for other people to find out, Brent.
This is how people get rumors about other people.
But see, if people listen to what Minecraft says about always assume that a rumor is false rather than true, a lot of people would be better off.
Yeah, that's true. Now,
You hear that? Always assume that rumors are false rather than true, and you'll have a lot less stress in your life. Yeah.
actually, I'm not gonna jinx it, so I'm not gonna say anything about it.
Were you going to make a comment about the weather?
Yes. Let's see if we can find where Ben actually hurled.
Oh, yeah. That was right up here, not too far. We're coming up on it.
Yeah, I know it's like on one of these turns.
Yeah, it's right.
Turns.
It's right before or right after one of these turns here. Ben's stomach got all upset and shit.
Yeah. We asked him like a couple times, "Are you okay? Do you need me to pull over?" And he said no.
And then he starts making. I think it was right there, dude. I'm pretty sure it was right there.
It should be. I think it's right there.
Yeah, I think that was it. It was either right back there or right up here.
Yeah, because as soon as I hear,
Yeah, he's like,
I'm like, nope,
Like,
we're
oh,
stopping.
man. Like he was just gonna barf in your car, dude. Like what the fuck?
Yeah. I won't take any chance if you're making noise.
Right, if you're gagging and burping and shit, then yeah.
I'd rather you hurl outside of my car than the inside. At least the outside can get washed off with the smell being gone.
For real.
A lot quicker. God damn, I've been getting con mouth for some reason.
Stop smoking all that weed, Brent.
I don't smoke weed. Hell. I took, I think, 4 or 5 hits from last time I was over at my sister's house, and it was a joint. But when I told her, when we were done with the paperwork to make sure my nieces will actually get 50-50 on what I actually get,
Right.
then like she takes out like some of these weak ass like THC stuff and thinking that this is gonna affect me. And I'm like, well, I gotta go before the weed actually hits in, and it never did.
Must have been some weak shit.
Yeah.
That's why, like, unless I make my own gummies,
Yeah.
or my own edibles and stuff like that, the shit just don't affect me. It's just not strong enough.
Yeah, like for your stuff, I know it's gonna affect me.
Yeah.
But she goes to, like, I think it's like the dispensary stuff, and it doesn't affect me at all.
NG, yeah.
I think it was party cake. I think it was the one that we actually had, and it was 40. I think it was like 45 THC. So yeah, it was pretty fucking weak.
For sure.
I know. Like hell, it's not even like mid strong. To me, I think mid strong would be around 70 percent. You know,
yeah,
that would actually affect me pretty good. And of course, like 90 or anywhere from like 85 to 99 is gonna like hit me hard.
right.
Like, and I think that's like pretty much like what you actually get for dabs. Hell, I think dabs would be like double the strength because it's just pure THC.
Yeah. Usually, like, Ricky's never had any of his stuff tested, but I guarantee if Ricky did have some of his stuff tested, it would test consistently over 85%.
Yeah, for sure.
So we're headed up East Evans Creek Road right now, as if you're going to go out towards Weimer. That was the other place I was trying to think of the other day when I was talking to my brother about something. I was like, my homeboy Corey used to live out here. Well, he had property out here. And he had a Mazda RX-7 that was built to be a race car. And instead of registering it in town, he registered it out here. And by registering it out here, he didn't have to pay as much or something for his registration. I can't remember how that all went, but it was a race car. That's why,
like the tags.
Yeah, something like that. Like, it was still street legal, but like barely.
Huh. That's funny.
Weimer. You put the saw in here, right?
The saw?
The saw.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. Oh, no. I only put the axe. That's what we only need.
God damn it, Brent.
Yeah. The saw should be in the trunk.
Sweet.
If not, then I'm sorry.
God damn it, Brent.
Hey, I'm apologizing ahead of time just in case. Okay?
It's okay. Without the power strip, we wouldn't have been able to play any kind of video games.
Yeah.
We'd be able to plug in the N64 and turn it on and imagine what the intro screen looked like.
Well, the thing is that if you told me that your power strips are buried, I could have grabbed one of mine.
Well, I thought we still had... Yo, man, I smell that, Brent. Did you cook a skunk's asshole for a snack before we came up here?
No.
I don't know, man. It sure smells like it. It smells like you put it on a roasting stick for a marshmallow and cooked butthole over the fire.